It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
The keys don't work. It's like the key bed is jammed. I feel like I could play like, hold on. Where's the C? Da, da, da. Wait, da. Oh, I wish the piano still worked. It'd be so cool. Why doesn't it work? The whole dining hall has access to queuing up songs, and someone queued up peaceful dolphin calls and conversations. The cookies today are very good. Well, usually I hate this dining hall. It's so, like, claustrophobic. Here in the Philippines, we start putting up Christmas decorations in September, so don't come at me in the comments being like, Cal, it's too early. It's not too early. It's not.
Look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
I have a package.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a piece of the treats is the wish of Barney and Ben.
So these are the one-piece vans. They've got all the skulls of the Straw Hats. We have, you know, Luffy, Sanji, Chopper's kind of cut off there, Frankie, Zoro, this is Robin, Brooke back here, Usopp's right there, that's Nami. Something that I think's really neat about this is that it's got like, the shoelaces are kind of like ship rope, you know, the kind of rope that goes on ships. So that's pretty sick. Yeah, try the one.
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's
Summer after high school when we first met.
I cannot, no. I don't dance. So I'm walking around right now. They fit pretty well. Day, what do you think of these shoes? Pretty sick, huh? That's what you like? The box?
It's a nice box.
Hey, what's up? Look at my shoes.
Oh, I like the texture. That's really cool.
Right? So I went to Trash Taste tour in New York. We got one of their signed posters. Pretty sick, huh? If you know who Trash Taste are. If you don't, then this means nothing to you.
What are you doing in my room, bro? It's not cool, man. Oh. Oh, crap. I'm kidding.
Just get those
Wanna
pieces
make
of shit. Chainsaw Man TikTok?
Yes.
You wanna do it outside? Like
Right now?
right now.
Okay.
Get your phone, get your phone. We gotta learn how to do it.
Okay.
Let me get my jacket. Okay, right now we're learning the choreography. Okay.
Fuck, wait. Okay, I'll go left. I'll go my
We'll
left.
both go left.
Oh, we'll both go left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no! For that one, which way do we go first?
Want to go left?
Okay.
So it's like, bam, bam,
Oh, okay.
bam.
So left first.
Yeah.
Do it in the middle of the road. We could do it in the middle of the road.
Wait, on dead ass. Fuck.
That'd be kind of cool. Actually.
We should have brought a tripod.
Yeah, wait, maybe. No, that'd be kind of sick.
It
We just put
does.
it. We can put it against here and then just do it like that. Got it, boys. And with that, the vlog is over.